Putting her back. Whoa.
Topless.
Look at that.
So I just picked up an S2000 today, and it is going to be a sponsored build with Liqui Moly and a few other brands that I'm still in the works and talking to, etc. But I just picked up the car probably like 2 hours ago, and it's a little dark, but I'm rearranging all the cars. I'm going to take a car over to my buddy Alex's to let him house it, ask him to house it for a little while. But there's the S2K. It's a little dark, but I'll show you guys in a little bit. Well, a little bit as in about fast forward about 8 to 10 hours from now. But yeah, we're moving the Z outside for now. I don't know if you can see the Evo. Integra's down there waiting to be put back in the garage. But I'm super excited. I'm super stoked to be a part of this and to be able to give him this opportunity. I am ecstatic about this build. I don't know exactly what direction I'm taking it yet, but the first things first, I've got to fix a few things. Well, a lot of things, but I had a really tight budget, so I couldn't really complain. But that's what sponsors are for. So here goes nothing. I can't really see too much because it's a little dark in here, and those are really yellow. But there's the car. Wheels have got to go. Air suspension's got to go. A few more things, but I'll show you guys in the morning. I'm tired, so I'll see you guys. So I'm out here, and we're about to go take a look at the S2000 and make a list of everything. And when I say we, my buddy Jack came over. It was a little bright outside. It's bright. So here's the S2000 in the daylight, and I'm gonna introduce you guys to my buddy Jack, who's gonna kind of help with getting the list.
It's me,
what up?
Jack.
So we're literally gonna put the top down and start working on it.
Hold on, y'all. I ain't done this before.
Never done this before.
I have not. Not in the S2K. I'm trying to figure out. There we go. Got it. Oh, hold on. Something's caught on your end.
Oh. Been a while, guys. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna put it forward a little bit?
Yeah, put it forward. Yeah, that's what it was, because you had it.
There we go. Are we good now?
Yep.
Putting her back. Whoa!
Topless.
Look at that. What a ripper.
So just wanted to do a little walk around of the car. It's on air suspension. I'm actually going to take the air suspension off. The car was actually originally red. It was painted blue. Blue is really pretty. And getting rid of that fake Recaro seat because I don't want to die. And that's basically it. The car itself is really clean for what I had in it. There's the third brake light that I've got to replace as well. So I'm hoping this fixes it, but if not, I'll just go get the AC fixed or figure that out sometime. We're outside. So I have the stock suspension. I believe they're on lowering springs. And there's the stock wheels. So I'm gonna clean those up, probably spray paint them, and put them on the car for now. That way I can clean up Dan's truck too. We are now going to put some AC in a can to see if it works. Okay. Okay, so pretty much wraps up today for me messing with the S2000. Just wanted to kind of show you guys what's wrong with it, what I'm planning on doing with it. I want to fix a lot of the stuff and just make it a super clean build. I want to eventually probably track this car, or at least do a few track days, autocrosses, etc. Probably not drift, because these cars really don't drift, but I really want to enjoy the car as well. So here's to another build, as if I didn't have enough builds to do. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.